JDCap26 here, just doing tips and repairs and hobbies. How you guys doing today? And yes, we're looking at a remote. This is a remote that comes with the Roku, the small Roku, and this remote has a home button, which is the power button to turn on and go to the home part of your TV. Okay, and you have a back and forth button, left and right, up and down. That's directional for going left or right on the screen or up and down on the screen, and hitting OK is selecting. The Sling TV brings you to Sling TV. Roku brings you to Roku. Netflix brings you right to Netflix. And this is the back button. And this is fast forward, okay, on this remote. I'm not too sure what this thing is right here, right down here. Some kind of a tag. But that's that remote that you get with Roku TV and Sling TV. This is the other remote. This is from a Sharp Aquos TV. Yeah, it's an old TV. But this is your power button up here, which mostly turns your TV on. And buttons you want to be concerned with are the buttons like input, and flashback is going to the back, going one channel back. You got the channel up and down button and the volume up and down button right here. Mute mutes your sound. Let's see. Menu brings you into your screen menu to set all your settings on your TV, like audio, antenna, and things like that. So if you hit the menu button, that'll bring up the menu on the TV to set all your settings in there, and scan for channels if you have an antenna. And basically, most of the buttons on here are not used. You will use maybe to put in channels, like find channel 303, but a lot of times people just use the channel up and down button. So you have to turn this on first if you want to use your Roku TV remote to get to that. And you have to set it in menu for the Roku TV. There's like 5 settings. One is for the Roku TV. One is for DVR. One is for a DVD player. And that's in menu all the way to the right on this remote, on this TV. Just an overview. Some of the other buttons in here. The light, I don't know what the light is really. Never used the source. This button right here, function, never used that one. Input, hardly use it. These buttons down here, these are for, like, I think for the VCR, if you had a VCR down here. And these down here, I never use these either. So this are the remotes that I have and I use on my TV. I don't have a smart TV yet. I wish I did, you know. And we're going to get Netflix hopefully next month. There's a 30-day trial right now going on with Netflix. And I'll be able to look up movies and things like that. It doesn't come with the news, though. The news you can get on Sling TV, I believe. And that's something that you could also get with an antenna, your local news with an amplified antenna. When you do buy an antenna, make sure it's amplified and it has a good rating as far as the reviews. Amplified means it plugs into the wall and has power to the antenna. That could be indoor or even outdoor. So this is what I want to do today with the remotes, and hoping to get TV next month. So I hope you guys are having a good day. Rate and subscribe, and please ring the notification bell, and we'll see you next time in the next video. Take care. Bye now.